Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm joining the DIY mommy and a lot of other participants in her Christmas DIY and decor challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is a DIY. I'll be showing you how I make a beautiful space-saving dress form tree. First thing needed is chicken wire. What I'm doing right now is I'm cutting the chicken wire. It is really important that you wear protective gloves. Unfortunately, I couldn't find mine, so I had to wear my friend's, which is so big. And I had a really hard time cutting the wire due to this. But the wire is really, really easy to cut otherwise. Okay, now you can see why it is called a space-saving Christmas tree form is because this is only a half a form. It is not the full form that you can buy in the stores. I purchased this from WR Display, which is a display company. They service both Canada and the US. So what I've just done is I've tied the wire onto the form in the shape that I want. Don't tie it too tightly because you guys are going to need to put the Christmas branches into the spaces. Okay, now I'm spraying adhesive spray and put my glitter on the form. The reason why I did this after putting on the wire mesh is because I didn't want to be moving the form around while I manipulate the mesh into the areas that I wanted. It would have caused the glitter to rub all over the floor and get everywhere. So once I did the glitter, I let the glitter dry. Then I shook off the excess and then I just sprayed it with some hairspray to prevent more of the glitter falling off. Okay, so I've brought back the form upstairs and now I'm just attaching the branches. I purchased these branches several years ago from Michael's. It looks like with all the branches attached. This is how it looks completely decorated, and why I call it a space-saving form tree is because this is actually hung up on the wall. These forms come with a little hook that you can purchase to hang them up, but I chose, actually I had a hanger that was broken, so that's what I used to hang it up with. The little brooch there on top is just hiding the hook from the hanger. But this is a great project. If you know someone who has a small space and would like a Christmas tree, please share this with them. They may like it. I would like to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this fabulous challenge, and I would like to encourage each and every one of you to go through the playlist and look at all of those fabulous ideas. I know you will see things that you really like. My name is Carol, and my channel is called Inspired By, and if you like to see DIYs, you'd like to see decorated on a budget, anything glam, Hollywood glam, then I think my channel will be of interest to you. And I would really appreciate it if you would like, share, and if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video and have yourself a great day.